The Korean car maker will launch the Mufasa SUV only in China for now, where Hyundai has a joint venture with Beijing Automotive Group. Reports suggest that Hyundai Mufasa will replace the iX35 in the Chinese market. The Mufasa will measure 4,475mm in length, 1,850mm in width, 1,665mm in height, and have a wheelbase of 2,680mm. This makes it slightly smaller than the Tucson. At the front, the Mufasa has a giant front grille with a parametric mesh design, flanked by split headlights and massive main headlight units. The number plate holder is placed on a trim bit that separates the upper and lower grilles. The base of the bumper has two silver trim elements and a fox skid plate-like lower lip. Over the sides, the Mufasa SUV gets thick side cladding on the doors and bulging front and fenders. The window line slopes upward at the rear and a C-pillar trim adds a floating roof effect at the rear. Speaking of the rear, the design here is as striking as the front-end styling. The C-shaped LED taillights are connected at the bottom and top, forming a full-width oval with a body color. The third brake light is a vertical unit in the center of the roof spoiler. Lower down, the bumper features sporty trim elements and a fox skid plate. More importantly, as the first brand new model in its class positioned as a smart home SUV, Mufasa cleverly differentiated the driver's seat, passenger seat and rear space and innovatively created a wheel. The multi-fun zone 3-part interior layout of smart 2 bedrooms and 1 living room can take care of the different needs of each family member, making them as comfortable. The first is the sporty themed driver seat, dual 12.3-inch smart screens, D-shaped multifunctional steering wheel, flying gear shifter and other technical configurations, as well as exquisite details such as 3D dimensional air conditioning outlet shape and sports-style headrest designed with ambient lights create a sense of future. The full immersive sports control atmosphere is like being in an interstellar cockpit, allowing the male owner to enjoy the exclusive driving pleasure. It is equipped with a 451-liter super large trunk which can hold all kinds of equipment for the whole family to travel. The crossover will be powered by the 2.0-liter naturally aspirated Hyundai G4NG engine with an output of 160 horsepower and 193 Nm of torque. It will work in tandem with a 6-speed automatic transmission.